The Xiaomi 12 Ultra spec sheet has been leaked, which confirmed the key specification of the device. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, the upcoming Xiaomi 12 Ultra will be a flagship level device coming from the Xiaomi company. The phone is expected to be releasing in the month of July, just a couple of months away. We already know about the design of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, which confirms that it's coming with a circular camera bump on the back side, which is placed on a square camera bump, and it's coming with plenty of camera sensor on the back. Well, today we have got another leak which confirms the full specification of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra coming from a Twitter leakster Yogesh. According to the leak, the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will use mostly the same camera hardware as the Mi 11 Ultra. This means a 50 megapixel of a main camera sensor with optical image stabilization, possibly with a new sensor, 48 megapixel 5x telephoto module, and a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens. Lister also confirmed some of the other specifications of the device, like there will be one extra component here. A 3D time of flight sensor is also coming in the Xiaomi 12 Ultra. The selfie camera should be same as 20 megapixel module as on the last year Ultra. The display panel seems to be taken from the Xiaomi 12 Pro instead of the Mi 11 Ultra. A 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with QHD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The old Ultra had a 6.81 inches with non-LTPO panel, so this is going to be a big upgrade in terms of the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, which means that this device will be running in between 1Hz and 120Hz. The phone will be upgraded to a new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and it will be coming with an 8 and 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. We don't hear about the micro SD card slot support for the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, and judging upon the current situation in the flagship level devices, I don't expect that Xiaomi will be providing any SD card slot in the device. And the phone will be running on MIUI 13 out of the box, which is based on Android 12. Finally, in terms of the battery capacity, it is coming with smaller 4800 milliamp battery capacity with a 67 watt of wired and a 50 watt of wireless fast charging. This year, Pro models boost 120 watt wide charging, and some rumors claim that the Ultra will be coming with that, but that leak hasn't been true according to the latest leak coming from Yogesh. And the rumored specs leave out some details. For example, will the Xiaomi 12 Ultra have a secondary display on the back as the Mi 11 Ultra? Judging upon the render images that has been leaked, we are sure that it's not going to be happening this time around because there is no practical use of that outer display. And it's unclear whether we are going to see or not. We have to wait and see, fingers are crossed right now. Also, the pricing for the Xiaomi 12 Ultra hasn't been confirmed, and judging upon the current situation, it's my opinion that the upcoming 12 Ultra will be having a high price tag as compared to its predecessor. And still we have a month away from the launch of the upcoming Xiaomi 12 Ultra. These are some of the latest leak that has been rumored. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on this leak? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.